Keep in mind, Roe v. Wade can be put into federal law. The anti-abortion laws of all these various states that are doing this can be overturned, can be overruled by federal law. Federal law is supreme in the United States. It's called the Supremacy Clause in the Constitution. This does not have to stand. All it takes is a large enough Democratic majority in the House and Senate, and we can do this. And we have an opportunity to accomplish that, to achieve that majority this fall. Freedom. The freedom to choose whether to have a child or not. The freedom to choose to live in a community where you're not at risk of gun violence. That freedom was ripped away from 7 states yesterday. Freedom is on the ballot this fall. And we have to get everybody we know registered to vote. We have to make sure everybody we know turns out to vote this fall. We have to absolutely raise holy hell about this. This is or could be a major actually, this is a major turning point for America. If you go back to Strauss and Howe's book, The Fourth Turning, you know, every 80 years, America goes through some sort of a paroxysm, a cataclysmic confrontation, and then a big change. 80 years ago, it was the Great Depression and World War II. 80 years before that, it was the Civil War. 80 years before that, it was the American Revolution. Every 80 years, basically every 4 generations. And here we are again. It's been 80 years since the end of World War II, or it will be in 3 years. And the question is, I mean, big changes here. The question is this change going to go the way of the right-wing billionaires who have been funding the Republican Party and brought us this, you know, with their red state strategy going into low-cost, rural states and seizing all the media and pumping decades of propaganda? The question is, when the transition is over, will America be ruled by the right-wing billionaires and their toadies? And will we have gone back to the 1920s, where women know their place and black people know their place and young people know their place and older people are living in poverty and Social Security has been privatized and Medicare is gone and it's already half privatized, thanks to George W. Bush? Is that the world we're going to live in? Is America going to become a third world country, a banana republic, where everybody's got a gun and shoot at it? Are we going to become El Salvador? Or are we going to become a fully developed first world country? Are we going to become like Canada or France or Germany or even better, Norway, Sweden, Finland, Denmark? These are the choices. Republicans want to turn us into El Salvador. Democrats want to turn us into Denmark, to hypersimplify. Democrats want to hang on to the progress that we have accomplished here in the United States over the last 50 years in particular, since the signing of the Civil Rights Act, the Voting Rights Act back in 1964 and 65. Or actually, let me take it even back farther than that. Democrats want to hold on to the progress that we've accomplished over the last 80-plus years. The signing of the Wagner Act in 1935 that gave Americans the right to have a union. We've got a union movement right now that is sweeping across Amazon and Starbucks and all these big companies. And again, the billionaires are funding politicians who want to further strike down union rights in the United States. The Supreme Court has already struck down many facets of union rights in the United States. Or are we going to go in a completely different direction? I mean, this is the choice, right? This is our moment of choice. Are we going to become a fully developed first world country and embrace the freedoms and the expansion of democracy to include all Americans, or at least the attempt to expand democracy to include all Americans, that we have been working on here in the United States for the last 80 years? Or are we going to go back to the 1920s? where women are barefoot and pregnant, where people of color are silent and cowed, where gay people are routinely murdered and living back in the closet? Where, you know, drive-by shootings and are just commonplace? Which is it? We have a choice. And we're going to be making that choice in November of this year. Just what? June. This is June, July, August, September, October, November. 5 months from now. We're going to be making the choice. You're going to be making the choice. Because this does not have to stand. The Supreme Court is not God. They're not the final authority on anything. Congress can always overrule them. Congress can always regulate them. This does not need to stand.